Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. First, I would like to start by saying thank you for clicking on this video. Today I'm going to show you guys how I did this quick and easy protective hairstyle. If you want to know how I got this look, just please keep on watching. Alright you guys, so for this video I'll be using these. I got 8 packs. It's the Marley style twist kind of hair. This is the hair I'll be using. And you can get it from your local beauty supply store. And I'll be using these rubber bands. I just got them today. I'll be using this comb to kind of like part my hair, because I like my part to be like, you know, it needs to be neat, period. And I'll be using these clips to help me because I just blow dry my hair. And yeah, pretty much that's it. I got 2. And yeah, this is for my edges. So you know what? Since I like my stuff to be neat, and I know it's going to take me a long time to get my parts right, so I'm going to part my hair. And I'm going to be back. So I'll see you guys when these are laid, okay? Alright you guys, so I'm going to take that session to show you guys how I put my rubber bands, what I do to get them like this. Okay, so I'm going to part them in like 3 braids because I want each session to have 3 braids. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to follow this line right here, okay? Making sure that it's straight. I think that's pretty straight. So yeah, and then I comb it out. Make sure you comb it out, right? So I comb out my hair, and then I'm going to go in with some eco gel, just a little bit. Yeah. So I'm going to take that hair and put it right here so it don't mess up this one. I take a rubber band. I just go like so, and then you just go like this. It doesn't have to be tight when you first start it because you can always adjust it. And as you go, you have to make sure that your hair doesn't get in the other one, if that makes sense. So you do that, and when I feel like it's tight enough, I just let it go. And then you're going to like do this. See, as I do this, it just ties down more, and I just go over it once more to make sure that I get the white stuff out, because you know I put grease in it before I started. The grease and the gel is going to, you know, the gel is going to turn white. And then boom, you got it like that. Take this and just, yeah. So I'm going to make 2 more braids. All right, you guys, so I just finished my whole head. I put rubber bands in. Now I'm going to just put them down. Okay. So I already did the back of my head. I'm going to do the front so I can, you know, properly show you guys how I do it. So it comes in like, it's like this in the pack. It came like this. Yeah, so as you can see, it's not that much. It's already, you don't have to do anything. And then, so like I tried to count it, kind of. So I take 3 strings for each braids. 3. Because, you know, it's kind of small. You don't need a lot. It's kind of like this. Yeah. I'm going to do that part for you guys. Alright, so I'm going to do that one first. Okay. So I take my needle. You gotta make sure you close it first. And then I just yes, like this. I let it go. And then I take the hair. I like to roll it. Kind of like twist it like this. And then you try to make a little loop like so. And then you just, yeah. So you just put it in here, right? Close it. And you just pull. When it gets to this point, you just take this out. You hold the one. You hold the one that you want to hold on this side, and you just pull the other side. After I'm done, I make sure I fix my hair. I like to tie it, make it tight a little bit. So you tie it, right? And what I like to do before I put gel, I don't put any gel when I start twisting, okay? Because I don't want my rubber bands to show or whatever. So I just start twisting first. Make sure it's tight, guys, because it can't be loose. And then after that, I take a little bit of gel. I start twisting with the gel because I want my hair to stay in the twist. Okay, I don't want it to get out. You keep twisting. Make sure you get a little bit of gel, a little bit more when you know, like, you get in the end of your hair. And then you keep twisting. Keep twisting tight because when you let it go, it's going to loose up. So you want it to be as tight as possible. Also, another thing I wanted to add in the video, if you don't want to use the equal gel, you can always use this one. This is really good. I personally don't like it. That's why I don't use it on my hair anymore. Reason why is because I feel like it makes it looks a little white. Like, yeah, it just makes it a little white to me. So I personally don't like it. That's why I don't use it. But you can always try it. And if you like it, go ahead and use it. Okay, I am almost finished. I have like 3 braids left. Okay, so this is my last pack. I think I'm just going to use like half of it. So yeah. Okay guys, so this is my last braid, and now I'm going to finish it. Yes. Boom, boom. What is this? Yes, so now I'm going to dip it in the hot water. I just got my towel, and you know, we gotta get ready because we don't want to get burned. First I want to dip the fin. You want to go down. Ooh. And take it off. And I just go like that. Yeah. After that, now I'm going to let it dry by itself. I'll be back. Alright, you guys, I am back with the final look, and baby, let's get into this hairstyle. Like, what? This is the back. This is how it turned out. I really like how it turned out though. Like, honestly, it looks so good. I also got these from the Beauty Supply store. It's $1.99 each, and I got 2 packs, and I still have 1 left that I didn't use. It looks so good. I didn't want to overdo it because, you know me, I'm extra, baby. I'm extra. I like to put it like this because I don't like hair all up in my face, you know. I don't like that. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you find it helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know how you think I did with this hairstyle. Let me know, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.